Little by little, new information is surfacing about the missing Malaysia Airlines Flight 370. U.S. authorities say the two men who used stolen passports to board that flight are not on any known U.S. terror list. We're also learning the plane may have still been flying an hour and 10 minutes after civilian aviation authorities lost contact with it. Instead of being off the east coast of Malaysia, it apparently turned the opposite direction and flew to the Malacca Straits, west of the peninsula. Tonight, aviation officials are asking, why would transponders in the plane's cockpit that painted on radar turn off?
You have to have a very deliberative process to turn the transponder off. And if someone did that in the cockpit, they were doing it to disguise the route of the plane. Was there someone unauthorized in the cockpit, ordered the transponder turned off, ordered the plane to fly a 90-degree turn off course? Second is, did one of the pilots do it themselves?
If the plane was where the military tracked it, that's nearly 1,000 miles from where it should have been en route to Beijing.